Can you hear it? The forest screaming, the wild calling.
I run barefoot through the dark. Fire in my chest does leave a spark. You find me where the silence breaks, between my lips and the path we take. You touch me like thunder touches trees. Rough, raw words shipping with ease. No words, just rhythm, just pulse and flame. Every night we lose our name. We are wild like the forest, untamed like the sea. I lose myself completely when you're inside of me. No rules, no calm, no need to rush. Just nature and us. Your voice is smoke, your breath is pine. You taste like earth and holy wine. We kiss like coals, we dance like fire. Our skin, the altar, hearts, the fire. Beneath the trees, we are reborn. Naked, fearless, fierce and warm. The world fades out, just breath and touch. We are love, wild as sun. We are wild like the forest, untamed like the sea. You break and build me with every piece of me. No cage, no shame, no need to hide.